So it's the last day. So it is the last day. We're here. I'm gonna go for a quick swim before we leave. We'll leave in like an hour and a half. So you gotta eat breakfast now. But Chris does everything 2 times so much.
Use Chris for my video, not you.
Fine.
You can keep using it. I see you. Making the bed, look at him. He's so responsible.
Oh gosh. He's going feral. I didn't even finish.
Yesterday, he was the Louis sack.
Really?
Like, gutter.
Jambi got stuff. And my brother and the gutter. Hold on. This is how I see everyone. This is my point of view. And this is how I see you, because this is my point of view, how I see you. Here's the beach. Here's Tala. This is where we showered many times, not naked with clothing on. To get the sand out of our butt, to get the sand from out of our cheeks. Because Jambi got stuck in my chicken.
Social experiment with Christopher. Hi, Christopher. Hi, I'm here with. Gracias. I'm here with.
Chris.
What's the worst thing you've done that you haven't told your parents?
Bottom, go.
How do I pick him up?
He has to get on your back. Go.
Look at him.
It reminds me of Diabetes Uncle Steve. Because he's so chill. Diabetes just...
Come on, get on my back. Come on.
Go. Go.
Papa. He's probably just the white person is.
Okay, go. Marcus. No, nobody wants to leave. Leche. Like, you can't see her again on Saturday.
I don't got milk. I got milk in the fridge. It's almond milk. My nipples are almond.
We should stay another week.
No, I'll go insane. Guys, should I wear my hair?
Still aren't there.
Should I wear my hair up or down for the party?
Left.
What? Chris, you just littered.
That's racist.
You did it because you want the Mexicans to clean it up. Thank you.
Is it? What is this?
Here's a. Oh, wait, I'm gonna leave them too.
Good boy. I go like this.
Good boy, good doggy, good boy. He likes it like that. Bad.
It's so dark now.
We formed like a little trifecta. That's what Chris could do. He could do the one at the bottom when we go like that. We should be posing sisters, guys.
Posing queens.
What's the one where they go like? They turn on her back.
Oh. You're doing the poses, right? They go like this, right? You're doing the back one, right?
Yeah.
They go. Oh, she goes forward. Stay like this.
Vámonos. Chop chop, let's go. Vamos. Vámonos, ya no vamos para la fiesta.
Más menos.
Our feet are gonna get all wet.
No, but we're by the sand. We're wearing shoes. Oh gosh. Mama, I'm a criminal. We're not leaving, but we're just taking a little. Look at them. So I'm leaving now, but my aunt, I think, forgot her glasses. Okay, but we're gonna walk by. My aunt forgot her glasses. Prank! Ah! Chris, why'd you push her?
I made my cousin cry on vacation. Clickbait.
Plus my cousin broke her ankle. We dripping so. It's so hot. I'm filming 60 frames on accident.
Natalia.
Dripping sweat. Look at this. Cause let me see the picture. Oh. I need the AC. You don't need it. Oh my god. It's so hot. I'm just trying to cool off. It's hot. So we're currently at the airport right now. We board the plane in about an hour or so, I'm super dark compared to the first day. Today's the last day. And that's Chris over there. So we're currently about to board onto the flight. We got about another 15 minutes to wait in line before we get onto board. We got some pizza, we got some Pringles, water, and we're gonna eat good. More laughing is a part 2 of the part 1 that happened before. Get ready for that, alright? Talana, you have anything to say?
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Nat and I'm going to CLC. Go Lancers!
Say it really good.
Hey y'all, my name is Talia and I'm going to CLC. Go Lancers! Cheers!
Say it. Hold on my passport between my legs.
Hi, my name is Talia and I'm going to CLC. Go Lancers! Yeah!
Let's go.
Lit up.
You both wearing the same color. Oh my gosh. So cute. He's gonna be stuck with us on that flight for 4 hours. How do you feel?
He's tired.
He doesn't want us anymore. He doesn't want us Hispanics.
He just wants to go back to his country. That's a furniture store and the party store.
No.
The party store.
On the plane.
Like 218 liquors. You're just
I know who you are. It's not you, it's me.
I'm gonna throw you off the plane.
I have your Pringles. What are you gonna do?
Keep your bag and throw you off the plane.
He thinks it's funny. Focus.
Show them me.
We got pizza, we got Pringles. More Pringles. We're eating good today, son. Ain't we eating good, children?
No! Jambi. Let's look at it. Jambi.
We're gonna keep saying that on Saturday and we're just gonna get tired of it. I mean, dummy cheap meatball.
Which one you want? You want green? Can I have my pizza? Right now would be a good time to have wide angle lens, right? Con Pringles.
Almost slapped me.
You guys like your pizza?
I like it. I want pepperoni there.
We're about to take off. Monkey doesn't have any nuts. You feed him Pringle. Wait, cousin feeds Bren.
I have my food set up.
We're all gonna get diarrhea.
For departure, please. Your handheld portable electronic devices must be placed into the airplane mode, cellular functions disabled. Laptops and larger devices will need to be turned off and stowed.
They're gonna yell at
If you
us.
are seated in a designated
kick us
exit
off.
seat, you may be called upon to open that exit in the event of an emergency after reviewing the safety briefing card and the seatback card.
She won't suspect a thing. Either else you can
I
tell.
will be on the plane for 8 hours.
Chicken.
Wait, let me flex. You look so tan.
Look big.
It's more tan.
Oh my gosh. I don't know, why are you so tan? Why are you so tan? Take your pizza. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have the little pizza? The flight attendant's gonna kick us off. Like, don't put it on my spot. Why are you putting it there? Why don't you put it there?
It's just space.
Now I have no room to stretch out my legs. Oh. Dog. Monkey doesn't wear any pants.
Will you be quiet?
Monkey doesn't wear any pants. Tell her go to sleep.
Okay.
Go to Pringles. Hey, Pringle time. Pringle
My hair
time.
doesn't even smell bad.
Dude, my toes don't smell that bad either. Don't put it there. Put it in her seat. Don't put it. You're touching my knee. What are you looking for?
Sure nothing falls off.
Attention, please passenger. Lieutenant Rodriguez, Leslie. If you're more,
Don't act all innocent. You were just dying of laughter. Somebody coughed. Monkey doesn't wear any pants. Have it? What is this? Is that popcorn? My stomach hurts. There's a guy that's like coughing on this plane, but But he sounds like death. He sounds so funny when he comes. We're back. That was a 6-day vlog trip there. I still got a montage I gotta edit. I was planning not to upload 3 times a week, but I think for July and August, I think I'll do twice a week to moderate it. But I know the videos are really out of order, not out of order, but they're not in a schedule per se. But yeah, I was busy quite a bit doing a lot of stuff. So and I got a lot of homework I got to do. That's due today. One was due yesterday, and I gotta edit. So I have a lot I gotta do. But that was a trip. That was the Cancun, Puerta Vallarta, experience with Tala and Chris. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. It was a lot in general. It was a lot of everything, honestly. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. Definitely not going to be the only trip I take with them, I think. Well, I don't know. Definitely not the only trip I'll take, I'll say that. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.